What's up, guys? Moderate Mods, and today I'm back early morning here with a quick, simple video that wasn't requested or anything. I just thought I'd show you guys how to do this and give you guys a little bit of information. So our cars, the 200s or the Chrysler or the Chargers or the Challengers, even the Rams, a lot of these parts are usable. Like you can put a Dodge Charger steering wheel on this car if you wanted to, vice versa. And it does work, and you can proxy these things in together. And it's pretty exciting, guys. And it's also pretty good when it comes to needing to fix certain things in your car that are hard to find because you may not have the funds to get a brand new part for your car, or you may not have a junkyard near you with that car that you have. So I picked this up. This little back window switch, super easy to do, off of eBay from a junkyard page. I can't remember which one. I can't drop a link for it because it was a last item type of sale, but I spent 12 bucks and pretty sure it came off of a Ram or a Charger. It was one or the other. But 12 bucks or so, and this is my rear window switch. My dog broke it one day. He was climbing up in the back seat and looking out the window, and I heard a noise, and I could never find out what it was until I got in my back seat one day and realized, this is it. So let's get to the install of it and show you guys how easy it is to do. And I hope you just stumbled across this video and you get to check out some of my more super fun and exciting videos. But this is by far the most exciting. So let's get into it. All right, guys, coming to the back end now. I apologize for the handheld and not stabilizer, but with my gimbal being dead, I don't feel like setting it up, and it won't really look right. So all you do is hook up under with a pry tool or anything that's flat, preferably plastic though, that's tough compared to like a flathead screwdriver that could scratch it and damage. And there it is. You're gonna pull it out. You're gonna have a push clip there. Okay, once you push that down, go ahead and compare old new, looking great. Take your push clip, okay, test it out. Well, that works. So once you got it clipped in and it works, go ahead and just push it back in. And that's it. Well, there it was. It was so exciting because it was so easy. That was the fastest video I've ever done on the channel, I'm pretty sure. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out. And stay tuned. If you're watching this one, I'm going to be dropping another one today. I'm picking up some new Amazon headlights. I'm going to be installing and reviewing and showing you guys. And supposedly these things are going to remove that no headlight or low beam light out error. So we'll see though. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for checking out my channel, guys. What's up to all you Charger, Challenger, and Dodge owners? If you haven't checked me out already, got a lot of fun stuff on the 200 and for all of our cars in a sense. So till the next one, guys, thank you. Peace.